morning, everyone. This is Tabitha at Haystack Creations, and today it's raining outside. It's kind of cold, and I am sitting down in the studio, and I have some things I need to work on. But right now, I want to work on a swap that I need to get done. I need to do two WaterFall envelopes. So I thought, well, for one, I will show you guys how I'm doing it. And I'm going to do a Christmas themed one for my first one. And I've got some digitals here, and the digitals that I got are from Rachel and Belle Crafts. I will link their Etsy down below to where I got this digital. It is so cute. She's got tons of papers and, you know, little pockets and some ephemera to cut out, and it's just a really cute digital. But anyway, I will link that below, and y'all can go look at it and see if you guys want to get it. But all I'm doing with this project is I'm taking two envelopes, and this was some junk mail, or well, it is junk because it was my utility bill. Huh. But anyway, I took my utility bill envelopes and I just sliced it open, you know, carefully whenever I got my bills out. And I am taking one, and I'm going to stagger it a little bit above the other one, and I'm just going to fold it down to where it like makes a little cascade. And each side where I had cut open, I want my cuts to be on the right side, so I want my pockets to be on the right side, so each little flip has a pocket in it, and that'd be good to tuck some little journaling cards or whatever. And the good thing about this is you could take it and you can slide it in a pocket and have it like that, or you can just, you know, glue it down side of the page. You can paper clip it on top or on side, however you want to do it. And you can also do it to where your you know, your little pockets on the side are on this side, on the left side. So it's pretty versatile, so whatever you want to do. But anyway, this is what I got going here. So I've got a little cascade envelope. Now what I need to do, the next step that I need to do is I need to either glue at the seam or I need to stitch it. And I am actually going to stitch it. So let me go over to the sewing machine and let me stitch it. I'm going to take some paper clips. That way it'll hold it nice and good for me, and it won't jiggle around, and I can get a good seam, and it won't be crooked, hopefully. Okay, all right, let me go over here and I'll be right back. Okay, now we got her stitched down. So now I got my, it's not going anywhere. Make sure I got it good and stuck down on there. But there it is. And I like to leave these little frillies. I'm going to try to keep them anyway. I might not. But anyway, you got your flip, 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 and now it's not going to go anywhere. So, I went ahead and I've already pre-cut my little papers to go on my little tucks here. I am going to sew around them, but I will do that off camera and come back. I'm just going to place them. But anyway, I just cut my little squares, or my little sections. I'll paper clip them here so you guys can see them. And this one here, even though it's like going in here, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. You won't be able to see that, and I'm going to use some, what is it? Tissue paper that I have made washi tape out of, and it makes a vintagey look, and it looks good. So that's, you know, even though it's tore there, I'm going to fix that. So that's what I'm going to have on this cover. The next one, I think I'm going to put Santa. So I've got the Santa image from the paper that was in that kit. I've got it, and I am going to put it here. But like I said, I'm going to be stitching around the papers, and then we'll come back and glue them on. So this is what we got. We got this. We got this. Now let's do this one. And I am going to use this little girl. I really like this one too. I don't know what it is, but I just love Christmas digitals. I just love them. All kinds. I just love them. But same here. Any white that's showing, I will go back and, you know, fix that. Okay, so we got, this is what we got. We got this. This is going to be our front, or our top one. Then we got Santa. We got the little girl peeking out. Now on the last one, on one of her digitals, she's got this little letter to Santa, Dear Santa. And it's just so cute. So I thought that that would be cute on the back cover. So we'll put a Dear Santa letter. No. Need some, that paper clip's not working good. Okay, so I'm going to paper clip that here. Let's see what we got. And then, of course, I'm going to put some papers here, and it'll probably be for, like, writing and maybe some little, you know, little pockets or something. But I like journaling. I like a lot of journal spots, and this would be a perfect little journal spot. So when you open it up, you journal on it. You open it up and you journal, you know, journal. And then you have cards and tags that's in the sides on the sides to where you can also journal on it. So great addition to your journals or your traveler journals or whatever. But okay, so we got this. Now, like I said, I'm going to get off camera, and I'm going to sew around each one of these. And then whenever I come back, we will glue them down together. And also, I will do the same. I will find me some, I think that I'm going to use, she has this one page that has lines on it. I don't know if I probably have to reprint another one out, but I think I got a piece of it over here. Let's see. Let me see. But it's got lines on it, so I'll probably use that for the back of each one of those. Maybe some music notes too. I don't know yet. Oh, here we go. Here's a piece, I think. Anyway, it's got lines on it. Yeah. See, it's got a little car, and then it's got lines on it. So I'll probably, you know, use, there's some that's got the little images in the corner. Some of them, you know, I will just have that and maybe put my own stamp on it. But that way there's journaling spots. So that's probably what I'm going to do. But anyway, like I said, let me get off here and take this over and sew it real quick, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back, and I got my little pieces that I cut out. I got them cut away or sewed around each of it, and then I went ahead and I inked the cracks or the little creases up here at the top of each little section. And now I'm just going to glue my images down. I want to make sure I get real good on the edges. So it stays down pretty well. Come on, glue. Now we're just going to glue our little images that we chose to go where we wanted them. And I want them up, this one up here. And then once we go back, I'll show you what I'm going to do with the white sections that is showing, or what I'm going to do anyway. Okay, so we got our top one. Let's flip it, and now we want to put our Santa down. Let me get on my little mat here. Get everything off of here. I've got this big desk and I work in this little small section, and why I do that I don't know. Instead of stretching everything out, I just crunch it all in. I'm silly that way, I guess. Well, yeah. Okay. And if it just doesn't clog up on me, jeepers. It's being stubborn. Well, it's my fault. I left the lid off of it. I don't know if you guys ever done that. I'm bad about that. It's like when I get done, I turn my light off, I just forget everything. And last night I was down here really late working on some orders and getting them ready to ship out. There we go. Now maybe we're cooking. Spoke too soon. But when I'm down here late like that and I'm ready to turn the lights out, it's like, okay, let's go. I'm ready to go. And I didn't come down today until, well, it was a little after 9. I had a few things I had to run and do and take care of before I could come down to the studio. Come on. Let's see if we got enough there. I'm keeping that upside down. Line it up. Get it on there. Make sure it's on there good. Squish that glue around, because not a lot came out on it. Okay, so there's that one. And then what? We were going to put the little girl on the next one, I do believe. And this one here, I could cut out around the window and have a little hidden little window thingy here, but I decided not to mess with that. Not on this one. Maybe on my next one I will, because I'm using the same type of envelopes. Utility bills, I get a lot of them once every month, so plenty of little free things there to use. I seen this, I was inspired. I'm in a group called Redeemable Junk Journals, and we have a swap going on, and this is one of the swaps, and I was inspired by Brittany Sanders. She has a video on her channel, and this was the video that was linked to the swap, so I will share her video as well. Ah, come on, glue, what is with you? I'm fixing to throw you away. Okay, maybe we'll just get a different glue. How's that? And watch this glue here, it'll do it too. I bet you. We might be a little lucky with this one. Ah, I think we're going to get lucky. Coming out slow, but it's coming out better than the other one. But the perfect day to craft is on a rainy, gloomy day, I think. Oops, I had that right. Go back this way. I don't want to glue her upside down. And get her on there. Get it turned right. Okay, so far we have a little string. Excuse me. So far we got this, and then this. Oh me, got a tickle. Okay, so let's get this last one glued down. Get it all glued down and see what we got then. And then I fixed some of that white. Sure got it good enough. Good enough. Dear Santa Claus. It's cute. It's really a cute digital. And I think here we can cut some of this off. We can trim a little bit of this. Well, I say that. There we go. Now I got it. Now I grabbed it. Because over here is going to be opened up anyway. Okay. So there's that page. Oh, a little piece here that needs to be glued down. Well, so we got that. We got this page. Some of this little white needs to come off. I can easily get that off. Okay. Now this one here, oops, down here on this one, I don't want to cut that, so we're going to ink that one. Maybe we can put some ink on it and kind of hide it. Maybe, because I'm going to ink around all of them anyway. Yep. Get rid of some of that. She can be cut off a little bit more. But just going through there and adjusting it, trimming off what you don't need, make it a little straighter and get rid of some of the overhang. And then get me some ink on them. Some ink on this. This needs to be trimmed up here. Trimmed up right here. Let's put some glue on it. Let's put a little bit of glue on it. Open it up. Okay. Sure we got this glued down. I didn't get my edges evidently. Ah, don't do that. Get that down. Isn't that cute? So cute. I love it. Get those little white edges. We got that. It needs to be glued down a little bit more. Okay, so now we got it all glued down. We just need to work on this white section here, and I'm going to get my glue stick for this one. And I made these little strips out of tissue paper that are coffee stained, and it's really translucent, and it looks, you know, it does look good, and it looks good whenever you're using old letters and stuff. Watch, just watch. Looks pretty cool, I think. Let's turn this around this way. Stuck to me. but it just looks like little old tape. Old little tape. And then this can still needs to be cut a little bit more itself. So we'll let that dry. And over here, we're going to go right down this one. This is the left side, so I can get off of it soon. And then I'm going to do the same over here with a piece. Sticks to you, that's for sure. And then I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to trim it up a little bit. I don't want to cut the envelope on this side. So I had to be careful. But anyway, that did it up, and then once that dries, I can ink it. I don't know if you can see it. Put a little bit of glue, fold it over. There we go. Okay, so what we got so far is one, we have a page here, two, have a page on the back to right, this one have a page on the back right, and this one have a page on the back. It'll have a writing page on the back. Okay, let me pause this and let me cut me out, or I have to print out some of that one print that I want, and I'll come back and show you the print before I chop it up. So, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this is the sheet that I decided to put on the back side of our WaterFall envelope, and this is what I did. I cut one out here. I've got the little bell, I got the little Santa car, I've got that, and then on the back side we will have, man, I put two Santa cars. So let me get that off there, and let's use this bell over here. We haven't used that bell yet. So let's, I don't want two Santa cars. Plus it'll give me a room to put a little pocket anyway. So let me measure this out. I don't want two of the same. So let's cut that down. And that way I've got two different bells that I used. Okay. So we don't need that one. Let's put that over there. That mess. I got a big mess over there. Okay, let me get this laid back out again now. Okay. 2, 3, 4. All right. We've got this bell goes here. We'll put this bell here. And like I said, you can write on it. Some writing sheets. We'll put the Christmas tree on this one. And we'll put the Santa when you flip this up. Or should it? Yeah. Is that right? No, he needs to go this way. So he'll go that way. That way he's with the, in case you use it as just like a clip, you know, clip the top of it onto your page, and you got your little pockets, and then that way you've got journaling spots there. Or it'd be good to just slide down into another bigger pocket this way. Okay, so now what I need to do is I do need to sew around each one of these and then get them glued down. So let me go sew this on. I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm just, I got all of them sewed around. This one here, I'm going to put something right here. So it kind of messed up a little bit on me, but we will fix it. We shall fix. I'm just going to cut these threads down. And I've got a pal over here I save because I like using them behind some ephemera. So save your threads. Okay. Let's get these glued down. Glue them down. And then we'll go back and put some pockets maybe on some of these on the inside. Okay. So glue this down. This one here, I cut it a little short, so I used some of that tissue paper and covered it up. And this right here, I'm seeing some white, and I know I can't get in there. So, let's get it inked up real good right there. Okay, so let's save that there. And this here, where's my scissors? I bet you I can trim it right there. Yeah, okay. So now we got this, we got that flap. Now on the back of the Santa, we are going to put these bells. So where did my glue go? Put these bells. I refilled this bottle and it's thick. Okay, so now let's get these bells down on the back side of this one. Where'd my bone powder go? And let's ink up some of this over here that's showing. Looking good. Okay. Okay. So we got this one. We got that to write on. I might put Merry Christmas up here. Find me a Merry Christmas. Okay. That. We got this one to write on. Now on the back of the little girl. What are we going to put? Was it the Christmas tree? Yeah. We'll put the Christmas tree. There's glue on it. Come on. It's gluing. It's just a little thin. Or it's thick, coming out of that little nozzle. Okay, we got it good. And then we shall glue this one down right here. And I will go back, and I've got a gap here, so I'm going to put some washi tape there. Do I got any more out? I do think so, But where's that one I cut? Cut this. Oh, where? Let's see. More thread. I got thread everywhere on this project. Let's see here. She has a washi paper strip. And I've got, there it is. I done tore some of it. No, that's not what I want. Not what I'm wanting. Oh, this right here may do good in the crack. I don't know. I just think I use my tissue paper. I like the way the tissue paper does. Okay, so we'll go back and put tissue paper on that one. Now this, we were going to do it this way. And of course, I do know I got to put tissue paper on this one. Up in this corner. Okay, now let's see. Let me come out a little bit better. Yeah, it's not. I'm having the worst time with my glue bottles this time. Jeepers. Take a little nozzle off and then it all pours out. This is some expensive glue now. Let me just smear it around. Okay. Maybe that did it. Maybe it was just clogged up a little bit. Who knows? Okay. Got a little piece already. I seen it. Where'd it go? I can go ahead and put that on there because I seen it. I seen it. There's another little piece that I can patch. Okay, put that piece there. And you never know it once it dries. We get some ink on it. Okay, now what we got to do, right there, it aggravates me. It needs to be trimmed, I guess. There. We get it. Okay, so got a little bit more here to cut. Cut down and cut off. I don't know where it came from. Okay, so now we got all of our base done. We've got our top lip. We've got a writing little space. We got the second one with a little writing space. Third one with a little writing space. And then we've got this one with a little writing space, but I put it this way. Okay, now we need to put something here and cover that up. That's going to aggravate me. Don't know if I got any more of my little tapes. Okay, let me see what we got here. I could put what I do. Let's do that. Let's put some of this Lasari silk right there and have it hanging out. I'd like for it to hang out. Yeah. That might work. Kind of dress it up a little. Here goes my glue again. Me and my glue issues. Maybe some fabric tack down there. And let's put this little pinkish, dingy little piece of sari silk right there. I like that. It's different. Yeah. Okay. So we got that. This here, we need to get down in there. There. Got it. Got it. Okay, so we got that, we got that, we got that, and we got that back side. And of course, each one has a little side pocket. You put something in here, put something in here, put something in there. We put a journal card in here, and we put a journal card in here. So that is my folder. That is a WaterFall folder, and I do like that pulled out there like that. I want to pull some strings. I like strings. Okay, so there we go. Isn't that cute? And we could put some pockets, I guess. Let's see here. You want to do a pocket? Let's do a pocket here on Santa, and then we'll see what we got going here. I had cut some little pockets out. Let's see what's this one. Should I do that? Yeah, oh, yeah. I like this one on Santa. Let's do this one on Santa. Get it inked up good, and then let's glue it on the corners. Glue it on the corners on the two sides. Now we got a little pocket there. What's it going to do with this one? Does she have a little light? What do you think? I think the little light looks good on her. And we could put a little pocket, or should we put that? I like the little candle. That little piece. That little piece cut, and let's glue down the two sides on this one. That'll give us a little tuck spot to maybe put some little inspirations, little inspirational words, or a little small ticket. Oh, yeah. Okay. I like it. I like it. Are we going to do any on the front part? I don't think I want any on the top. But I think on this little one back here, I might do another little pocket. We'll put this little puppy dog. He's cute. we got a new little puppy dog. She is 7 weeks old. She's a miniature Australian Shepherd, and she is a little mess. She is a baby doll. Isabella is her name. So let's put this little puppy in the corner of this one. I'll give us some little tuck spots if needed. It's an option, I guess. Okay. Put some little tags in it. Little tag in it. Cute. I like it. I got 3 tags here. Santa. Or let's do this. That one. There's a little Santa tag. See, you're already getting it filled up. But anyway, there we go. That's it. Journal spots. Waterfall. You can put you some little decoration here if you want to. I might put a stamp. But that is it. Pretty cool. Put you some little words or little journal cards. You know, that way people can write on the back, or you can write on the back. And that little Dear Santa saying, this little card. And then when you flip it over, you got journaling on the back too. Ink that up there. Anyway, that is the end. Thank you guys for watching. And if you want to, I will put the link below of where I got the digital. And like and subscribe. And I will be back here soon with another little thing that I've learned. Thank you guys for watching.